In this video, I will guide you how to test the ShopMe application on your mobile phone. Firstly, ensure that your development computer and smartphone are connected to the same local area network, and you must know the IP address or hostname of your computer. And on your smartphone, open the web browser and access to the ShopMe backend application at this URL, IP address, and the port number 8080 and slash the context path is ShopMe admin. And the URL for the front-end application, the shopping website, is just IP address and slash ShopMe. To know the IP address of the computer, open the new command prompt window and type in the command ipconfig. And you can see the IP version 4 address here. And you can see the IP address of my computer is 192.168.1.2 here. Now I'm going to use this smartphone iPhone 7 Plus to access the ShopMe application that is running on this development computer. Okay, I open Chrome browser and enter the IP address of the development computer, http://192.168.1.2 and then the semicolon and port number 8080 and slash ShopMe admin is application name and go. And you can see the home page of the admin application appears here, and on this smartphone you can see the user interface is responsive, and you can click the toggle button here to see the menu items here. You can see menu items, users, categories, brands, products, and so on. Perfect.